I looked at it from an archetypal structure. So, like Steiner said that the electricity was a fallen light ether, and I'm thinking, well, you know, and talking with Eric, like he was saying that, well, the discharges off the magnetic side, magnetic coils is more reddish, and the discharges off capacitors, the electric or the dielectric side, is more bluish. And of course, the magnetic side was transverse, and the electric side was longitudinal. But when we look at natural light, we look up in the sky, we see that the yellow side is longitudinal, right? The sun's like a dot, just like the stars are. And the blue stuff, that's the transverse wave. So we see the inverse wave functions, you know, and in the Goethean color theory, right, color doesn't come out of light. Color comes out, and you can do prism. You can play with prism all day. You're not going to get any color out of light. You're only going to get color out where light and darkness come together. So you get two polarities. You get the red-yellow side and the blue-violet side. You bring them together in light, you get green in the middle. You bring them together in the darkness, the other side, where the red and the violet overlap, and you get magenta. Now, according to Goethe, green is forming towards materiality as a secondary color, and magenta is drawing towards spirituality. So he saw those as a secondary polarity. Then there was the great Indian color healing scientist, Dinshaw Gadiali, the Parsi Edison, with his spectrochrome color healing system. And even though he was an ardent Newtonian, his color system still expressed the Goethean process within it. And he said that green and magenta had the same wavelength, but rotated in opposite directions in the ether. So we can see, so basically,